Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to the beach. It's a beautiful day, so I decided, you know what, let me just vlog it and bring you guys along to the beach. We haven't done a beach day in a while, have we? I don't recall. So we're gonna do that. So it's just gonna be me and my cousin. You know, summertime is coming up, and you know, every day is summer here in St. Croix, you know. But I want to do more beach vlogs because I will be going to the beach more often. I want to take some pictures of a few products I have for my website. It's not a photo shoot day, but it's just like, this is one of my bathing suits. That, yeah, but I just I lost concentration for a minute. But yeah, we're gonna be up to some chill vibes, cute vibes. Right now we're at the bistro. I'm gonna get something to eat, and here is where I'm actually gonna meet my cousin as well, and then we're gonna head on out to the beach afterwards. So stay tuned for some splashy vibes. Get your sunshades, get your SPF, because it's gonna be a sunny time. Oh, you need a ketchup, man? Yes, please. This is yours. Oh, thank you. I almost forgot about this. Thank you. This is just straight away here. Process. Process is hot. You tried it already? The lowercase?
Maybe it's for the wrong.
Jesus. The sun is behind these clouds, thank God. We catch a little break. So we're about to walk and find a spot. Come down here to do this. Talk about we do the right time. You come down here and want to change laws here. Like, I tell you, these people want listener. Just here enjoying life. I'll check it with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna do some reels and take some pictures. This is my swimsuit, guys. This is my swimsuit. This is in my store. The link will be down below. This is from my website, SUNTY Style. It's summertime coming up. Beautiful yellow color. Get you one. Get you one. So I'm gonna. Oh wait. Well, by the time I post this, it will be up. Right now, it's not up. But by the time I post it, it will be up. So yeah. So that's why I'm out here. I want to take some product pictures and yeah, get some content for my my Instagram for the SUNTY Style, which is here. So I have two Instagram, one for SUNTY Style and my personal Instagram. Follow both. So guys, I'm just here getting some product pictures. This is another one of my swimsuits. It's on the site. It's like you have to try. You have to try. You have to do what you can with what you have, and just put yourself out there. And if you have a business, you know, look on Pinterest, get creative, get some inspiration, and do your thing. Like, don't be scared. Put it out there. Push yourself. Put your products out there. Like, I have products sitting in my house, like packaged, ready to go. And like, I haven't been advertising it much, but I said before the year ends, I want to push myself and put myself out there, and you know, build confidence in myself and do my thing, enjoy my life, enjoy the project that I'm working on, enjoy the business that I'm putting out, and like just doing the things that I enjoy. I enjoy taking pictures. I enjoy, you know, selling my cute little outfits, my bathing suits and stuff like that, my hats, sunglasses. I enjoy that. I enjoy coming to the beach. This is my world. This is my home. This is my office. I enjoy that. So this is something I enjoy. So a little inspo talk, my little spiel. Oh my gosh, the water is cold. I feel like Rose at the edge of Titanic. OMG. I don't want to go in the water for personal lady reasons. And plus it's almost time to go. We spend so much time at the cafe eating and talking. OMG. But we'll definitely have some more beaches, as I said. So yeah. It'll be so crazy if you can't even hear me, but hopefully you can. Okay, y'all. It's been a very short day, but we're gonna come back. It's been a vibe. It wasn't too hot though, so it was a very nice chill day, literally. We about to go. I gotta go pick up my sister. Because I gotta get ready to do some work for my client tonight. So yeah. Hey guys, now we're on our way. We're on the go. This is the outfit. Just a simple thing. We are doing a little bit of shopping, but first we're gonna do our nails and we're gonna do our toes because we got an event to go to this Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Taste of St. Croix, the 26th annual Taste of St. Croix event. This will be my first time going, so I don't want to wait till last minute to prepare myself, so we're starting early in the week. So come along with me, and it's gonna be a vibe. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. My toes and my nails.
Dime. En el de papá y mamá. Aquí nadie ha trabajado,
Oh, a book now. Nice.
That's new.
Okay.
No tanto, porque yo lo voy a llevar.
Okay guys, I'm finished. About to step inside Rainbow and see what we find. This is the nails. It's cute, simple, luxury. I do not like shopping in Rainbow here. Even Rainbow in the States is much better. But like, what can you do? No, not this. There's like Okay, I think you could just clip this and it'll be okay. Okay, it's not unraveling. I'll just clip that, but I think this is cute. Like sometimes you just want to, especially like if you want to go get a drink or something simple, not too much. Just throw on this low number. I think it's cute. I could try it on quick. I'll try it on. I'm trying to do more dresses. I want any dresses and I need tops. So we will see. I like. Yes, this is like a nice, cute, like, let me go out for a drink. Can I buy you a drink? Drink, drink. Yes, you can. And you can buy me a lamb. Boo. Okay, let me get out of these people, please. Okay, y'all, so we just came from the store and I'm hungry right now and we're about to go. Hey, yo, what the hell is that? Bye bye. I can't stand these men here. Let me not say out men. Let me manifest that only all good, proper, well off, sensible men approach me. I'm looking for some spray paint so I can spray paint my wall and then put on my new painting on the wall. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay. This look like it might be the color of my wall. Yeah, out of everything I see here, I think this is the closest color to my wall. This, oh, that's the same thing. Candy pink. Yeah. Hey y'all, I have been neglecting you guys for the whole day. I've been up and down all over the place and now I'm back home. It is 5:30 and I'm here getting myself together. I don't know how I look on camera, so just wait till the finished look. Just wait till the finished look. But I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know what I've been up to, so it don't just like, oh boom, all of a sudden I'm here at Tisa St. Croix. Like, I was supposed to show you guys some stuff today and I totally forgot. I don't even know if I took any clips. I don't think so. But this is me getting ready. This is how my dressing table looks. Girl. Like, please. Literally standing in front of my AC because I refuse to be sweating, okay? As I put on my makeup. Absolutely not. I'm not putting on the bottoms until it's time for me to head outside. And my heels. Absolutely not. Matter of fact, I'm not even driving with my heels, so I'm wearing slippers to go in the car. And I think I'm pretty ready. Just some little touches and then I have to pack my bag. Well, my clutch. And I think that's about it. I don't want to think too much. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to have anxiety. Like, being confident is not having anxiety. When you don't have anxiety, you're confident in life. I believe so. I believe so. And I don't have anxiety. Like, before I used to be sweating. Ugh. Now I'm like, USA. I reached there when I reached there. I now look good. I got this. So this is your reminder to USA. Get back into yourself. Find your confidence. Find your aura. Find your vibe. Find you. Find self. And validate yourself. Don't wait for other people to validate you. Like, just be you. And enjoy life. And yeah.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these. They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and it's man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out. I done seen these crash out. They some baby boys, I'm the man now. They was questioning, make them fans now. I'm the best in my league and that's hands down. Understand now, got plans now, got big dreams. Now that, got big schemes since 16s, hot 16s. I started broke, then I fixed things. I been king, I been him. My bad, my whip clean. I been hot, that's benzene. You been not, that's cold stream. That's cold things, that's cold things. I'm motivated like Kobe. These don't know me, it's my time, check I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is.
Watch that shake up, shake up, watch that shake up. If you're looking for sweetness or potential, to love you like I do, I to love you like I do.
Oh, you recording it? I like this one. Oh yes, mamacita. Yes, mamacita. Yes, mamacita, mamacita, mamacita. Mamacita, mamacita. Wait, go back. Please. Hey guys, it's another day. It's another day. Dun, 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 dun. I never heard that song a day in my life. I don't even know what song that is. It just came to me. That might be a bop. Hello. This is breakfast. I'm starving, but I don't have any time. I literally have 2 hours to go to the cafe, do some work, focus before I have to leave again and go do something else. So just eating this quick, and then we're gonna go to the cafe. The Wi-Fi there is stronger than at home. I really have to look into doing that, fixing a strong Wi-Fi connection in my home so I could get to business. But today is a beautiful day though. The weather is, you know, Caribbean weather, island weather, beautiful, wonderful. Some breezes blowing, thank God, because the humidity, it was like my own personal big gigantic humidifier with the scent ocean breeze. I'm gonna finish this up and then we're gonna get going. But you don't want to see me here eating watermelon, right? I know I make everything look cute. I'll see you guys later. Okay, y'all. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Ah! I wanted to stop by, there's another cafe that I stopped in. The stuff wasn't appetizing to me. It was just like wraps, parfaits. Like, I don't know, for some reason I'm not feeling it. Maybe I should still have gotten it because I'm going to do like a matcha, and those tend to be sweet, and I'm trying to, like, if I take something sweet, I want to at least add. Oh, they have an Asia bowl in here. Maybe I should just do that instead in the courtyard. That way, I wonder if they even have, like, I've never been in here. What am I doing? I have things to do. Oh my God. But the cafe I'm going to, they only have matcha, and I don't want to drink something so sweet so early. Like, without like protein or something like that. Morning. And here it doesn't look like I have AC or anything, so I'm not about that right now. You know what? It's okay. We'll come back. But that's someplace I definitely want to go check out, because I have like waxing, massages, and all like fitness classes and all those things right there. Like, so I want to definitely check it out. I've never checked it out before, So that'll be something different to do. But right now, I already lost like 20 minutes, so I want to really focus on getting what I need to get done with the Wi-Fi. Only because I'm in a rush today, honestly. It's annoying, but it's okay. Did I show you guys the fit? I don't even think I showed you guys the fit. Maybe I could prop my phone somewhere. Okay. I'll see you guys in the cafe. Today I was focusing on uploading some product listings. I had some pictures. I wanted really good Wi-Fi, so that's why I came to the cafe, so that everything would upload properly. So that's what I was doing. I was uploading the products, writing out the descriptions for the products, and keeping track of my inventory and updating the inventory that I did last night. So that was basically what I've been doing today at the cafe. Y'all, we're going to Uptown because I'm hungry. All right, y'all. I got my food. Nobody ain't called me yet, so I think I'm free. So I got me jalapeno poppers. Ah! My mouth's starting to water. Girl, bad. And I got me a shrimp where's the patty? Oh, a shrimp burger. Oh, goodness. And I got it just in time because look, they're calling me now. All right. I'm going to eat while I'm driving. I'm going to see you guys when I see you guys. Just going to grab me a couple of things. My mom just texted me she wanted bread. So I should get her the greeny ones. Yes, healthy. She can watch me like I'm crazy. Ooh, it's so nice and clean and organized.
I'm not doing lashes.
Guys, I don't even know how my face looks. I almost didn't even went to the movie. I keep saying the movies. To the, what's it called? The bowling alley. I didn't know what to wear. What I wear felt tight. You know when you're in a moment where everything just feels wrong. It feels too tight. Oh, lots of the things was feeling too tight, and I'm like, Adisha, you need to shop for some more tops. I need some more tops because I don't know. I still not even feeling 100. Like, I almost stayed home. I was like, let me just go. They was already in the car waiting for me. So. It is what it freaking is. How my makeup look, Alicia?
Like a frog.
It looked melty because I was melting in the house. Can you look with your bare eyes?
If you don't look good in the mirror, then you're ugly.
Well, then you need to close the mirror.
I'm watching you, so I guess you're ugly.
You was watching yourself before that.
I was looking at my eyes.
And your eye look ugly.
That's why you look like a melted frog. Mara, no.
It's alive.
Shut up.
It's moving. Oh my god. I don't even know if you guys can see. Oh my gosh, not my nail chip. So this is the bowling alley here. Huh? Let me see. put this back some more. Show my face, show the frame. We're going in, guys. Okay. Huh? Bisha, stop. Bisha, Bisha. That was crazy. That was crazy. Let me just go to the bathroom and see how I look before I go to the public. Billie Jean is my lover. She's just. You bring my comb?
Yes, I broke it. And my left my
You owe me a pink comb.
Where you want it?
Why am I gonna do that?
Part here.
No, I have another one. Look how she. Look how she done throw it.
You just said you
Look
have the
how
next
she.
one.
Look how she did. Look how she did to my comb. This is why you don't let ruffians your stuffs.
Oh, my hair was thick.
Sure.
I'm not done. Okay.
Natural hair thick and the wig is thick. Natural hair thick and the wig is thick. I thought that was the point of the wig. These don't even match. Oh.
She like me, she might be what I need. She get spicy, want taste test, come bite me. Yeah, I'm icy, way too icy. I get paper, on big screen, I'm spikely. I'm vibey, just vibey. Too wavy, I could tell they wanna get like me. Yeah, I'm vibey, just vibey. Too wavy,
Hey.
get like me.
Boogie, 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 boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Thank you, sis. Boogie, what kind of let you down?
Cut up the pay with the real ones. I see a few million. We want it, we need it, let's get it. Long live the niggas that get it. They live how they say it. A sentence, we really the trillest. Please don't pretend with that love that you send in this. If you like me, I call
Okay. Something slight. Something slight.
you know, but he got me, I'm winning. Clout is a dangerous drug, and your phone is the plug. Everybody on that thing. So many lost and they chasing what's trending. Get it, I'm back to my sis. I'm only helping a man in the mirror. From here on, I'm open, I'm focused. Okay, I lied. If you riding, I'm riding. I put on the pros.
Not the bow, not the bow. I know you.
She like me, she might be what I need. She get spicy, want taste test, come bite me. I'm icy, way too icy. I get paper, on big screen, I'm spikely.
The face of failure. The face of failure.
Oh, you want to take a picture of the last?
I win this one, that's why. Yeah. Good night, y'all. We're home. Hey guys, we are at the beach. Family time. It's a beautiful day.
Okay.
The kids are outside already playing. They're getting the site ready. We're supposed to go on that blue table there. We came and it was like literally like kaput. Okay, so we're about to go and get some lighter fluid because these call that said lighter fluid not needed lied. They're a whole lie. That's why I tell her, yo, watch that girl, you know. Bring she. Alicia, watch her in the camera, me just in her phone. Lord, I have to be mother to literally everybody. I am not waiting for the food to be ready. I'm in the car. in the AC, about to eat my salad. This is why I got me a salad, because I knew it was going to take long. And I'm starving. I got seaweed, and I think this is a crab salad, and onion someplace in there, and beans. Sick. Look at my hair. Got a little wet there.
Tired y'all.
You see what I'm talking about? She wanted to take some pictures and they wet her up. Like, I was gonna bring some things and try to be aesthetic. Absolutely not. Not with these kids. I'm saving my peace of mind. I just come to enjoy, eat, and vlog. Really? Guys, I made fire. Oh my God! Wait. Oh my God! Whoa! I tell her to go and wash the crab since she's going in the water anyways. The crab and lobster. Oh, the water not that cold. Oh, the water not too cold. I'm feeling something around my foot. What is that? A fish? Or something? Alta Ara. The beach looks so beautiful. Thank you for your services. This young man over there. Why are you breaking on the trees? What did a tree do to you? Stop! Move! Try to out the fire. Look at her, look at her. Don't catch she red-handed. I'm gonna pretend I ain't watching she. No! That's to cook the food. We have to cook the food. Don't put the water on it. Goodbye. No, leave the fire. Firefighter. Nothing but sun. Okay. You have any meat in there? Bonging she head on the sun?
Yes.
Hugging her head in the sun?
Yes.
Hugging it? Josh, I don't care about nothing. Yeah, they're having fun. Jaja! Why she always trying to put water in a fire bag? Yeah, it's a fire bag. How's the fire? You're doing the right thing at the wrong time. Everybody say hey, hey. Star, Patrick Star, SpongeBob, Sandy, Larry, and who else is? Huh? Mr. Krabs. Plankton? No, Jaja is Plankton. So we got barbecue wings, we got breadfruit, and we got some lobster, y'all. Just a small little plate, didn't want to do too much, you know, watching the body. That's all she waiting to do. She said, oh my gosh. All the smoke come up. Literally have 13%, so we will not get to watch the rest of the day. Whew, I need to calm down. I was just running. So yeah, you wouldn't get to enjoy the last bit of the day with us, but we're literally about to leave. I just wanted to get in the water. Well, actually, I'm gonna bring you guys in the water with me for a little bit, and then we're gonna say au revoir. Okay, it's dunk time. If I dunk down, my hair gonna come up looking crazy. But I'm going home to wash my hair anyway, so let's go. I'm still looking hot, huh?
Oh my god.